So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to the link, which will be down below in the description, to download Autoruns. And then once you're on this website, you're going to scroll down and then click on Download Autoruns and Autoruns.sc. You're going to click on this, and it's now going to start downloading. Now once that's been downloaded, you're going to right click on it and then click on Show in Folder, which will now take us into our downloads folder with the Autoruns zip file. And then once we're on this, you're going to right click on it and then click on Show More Options and then click on Extract All. I'm going to keep it on the default location. I'm going to untick the box and then click on Extract. And it's now going to appear for me right here, the Autoruns folder. You're going to double click on it. And we're now going to be having Autoruns and Autoruns 64. If you're using 64-bit version of Windows like me, then you want to go to 64. If you're using 32-bit, you want to go to Autoruns. To know which one you're on, you want to head over to Search and type in System Information. Click on it. And now, if we look next to System Type, it's going to be telling us. For me, I'm on x64, so I'm going to be running the x64 one. If your one says x32 or x86, then you want to run the other one. So for me, since I'm on x64, I'm going to run the x64 one. You want to right click on it, and then click on Run as Admin. And then click on Yes. And then once you're on this, you want to click on Agree. And now this will come up. And then once you're on this, you want to search for Helper.exe. Now if you see anything here that comes up that says Helper.exe, then you want to right click on it and then click on Delete. In my case, I don't have anything, that's why nothing came up here. But let's say that you typed in Helper.exe and then you see something related to Helper.exe, you want to right click on it and then click on Delete. You want to delete everything that comes up that says Helper.exe. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.